In this video, we're going to talk about lead magnets in B2B sales. And lead magnets are so powerful in your whole sales process because, first of all, you can use it to send value in advance for your prospects and actually show that you know what you're talking about. And this will drastically increase the positive reply rate and meeting book rate of your outreach, such as cold email or LinkedIn DMs. If you want to learn more about how to do outbound and outreach, you can check the videos on my channel. The second way why lead magnets are so powerful is that when you actually go to a sales call, after these people have read your long form lead magnet or stuff like that, even a video, you will have a much higher closing rate, and that way you can close more clients and make more money. Lead magnets are one of the core pillars in my own outreach, and I've used them to book over 1,000 B2B sales calls in just a few years. And in this video, I'm going to show you a handful of my own lead magnets, and yeah, that way you can learn how to do lead magnets yourself and use them in your outreach. Okay, next let's pick a lead magnet from this list. And if you want to go through these lead magnets in your own time and actually learn more than this short video, you can check the link in the description and get access to this list. But yes, this 30-step cold email playbook is the lead magnet I've used the most because this was for the longest time my main service. Now, a few things about lead magnets. In the headline, you usually have like some kind of concrete or specific numbers or a promise that what the reader will actually get from reading your lead magnet. Then it's important that you can have these like links here, so to your LinkedIn profile and to your website, so people can easily learn more and actually book a call with you even. And then you should like explain to these people that why they should read your lead magnet. So results that, okay, this guy actually knows what he's talking about, so it's worth my time to actually read this. Now, in this 30-step cold email playbook, I give 30 steps to cold email. And there are also many formats you can use to create your lead magnet. This is Google Doc. It's one of my favorites because everybody knows what a Google Doc is and it's easy to read. And here I give like 30 different concrete tips with visual images about cold email that will make you like top 5% cold emailer. So that way actually people will find value from it, and they also think that, okay, if this is free, then what is the paid service? And you need to make sure also that your lead magnet does the same thing. And in the end, and also in the middle of the lead magnet, if it's this long, you can use, or you should like link somewhere and make call to action, so people will then use your lead magnet or read it, then maybe take some action, get some results, they will come back, and it's easy for them to book a call. And I highly recommend that you create one of those big, massive lead magnets of your whole service, so you can send it to anybody pretty much. And that way they will see like, wow, okay, this guy knows what he's talking about, and it's so easy for you then to book the calls and like even build rapport and relationships compared to just pitching somebody. Now, Google Doc is one format you can use to create your lead magnets, but then there are also Gamma docs, and Gamma is like PowerPoint but way more beautiful. It uses AI. You can create these pretty fast, and I use Gamma to create these like smaller lead magnets to specific parts of my business. So let's say my service has 4 different areas. Now I can create these gammas for every single of these areas, and then when I talk with people and they have a problem with one of these, I can just send them like these lead magnets as value, and they will be, oh, thank you so much, and then they will also like start liking you as a person. Now I have also this another Gamma doc, which is a bit bigger, 27 buying signals. So if people are doing outreach and not getting results, I can send this to them and say, hey, you should check out buying signals so you can actually send messages at the right time. And this has like links to these tools and why it's important. Also this call to action here. So it's important to have call to actions. And also the best signals for specific kind of company types, and also call to action here. And a third format you can use to create your lead magnet is Notion, and this is created in Notion. Also, this is created in Notion. So again, this is one of my services areas. So how to find ideal clients, and a lot of them. And this is like the lead sources I use. Clay, Apollo, Scrape LinkedIn if you want to scrape LinkedIn, Store Leads for e-com stores, Crunchbase for startups, Panda Match for lookalikes, Sales Navigator for LinkedIn, and Outscraper for like local businesses. And I can also send this link to people and say, hey, check this out. I use these tools to find my leads like super fast if people do not know about these tools or would like to find e-com stores that are not so easy to find. So that's another format you can use to create your lead magnets. Then a fourth way to create your lead magnets is Miro. So Miro board. You can create this kind of Miro board and you can add screenshots and text to it, and it's pretty fun to read as a lead magnet. You know, branding is important, and also the format of your lead magnet is important. Nobody wants to read like a ugly PDF that's like 200 pages long. It needs to have videos, it needs to be interactive and valuable. So here I have added like 20 of these high authority LinkedIn creators and 10 posts from each. So 200 posts total. People can check out, okay, why does these posts work so well, and take inspiration for it. And here, of course, I have like the conclusions of this lead magnet, so people can quickly also take the like conclusion, and then an offer. If you want to sign clients from LinkedIn, check out this booking link, and also here's example from a result. So that's a fourth way to create lead magnets. Now a fifth way to create lead magnets is vibe coding. Believe it or not, with Lovable, Cursor, Cloud Code, you can easily vibe code anything. And this is in Finnish actually, but I can also show you the English version. It's on my website, English page. So here I have added this lead magnet, kind of what I did. It is like Finnish digital tools for sales in Finnish language. And here I have created this directory of all of the tools I have used to do marketing and sales online. And it's pretty nice. And I also have added it to my website quite easily. So this like shows you only your imagination is the limit here. And I can also send this link to people in chat or email and say, hey, if you don't know the best cold email tools or digital marketing tools or sales tools, check this out. Here's also like a category of my favorite tools, so people can see it. Okay, this is pretty valuable if they don't know about the tools. Then probably my favorite lead magnet of all time is a 2 to 4 minute video that you will film about yourself going through a Miro board you have created. So this is an example. I have created this kind of Miro board, and then I can film with Tella or Loom or any other tool that I go through this. So how to book 10 to 15 sales calls and sign 2 to 3 clients every month with LinkedIn. Hey, this is my client Olli. We did this with him, and this is what we struggled with. And then we did this with Olli. So first step, second step, third step, fourth step, and these were the results. Do you want to learn more about it? And this is a great way to show a lot of value and also your competence in just a few minutes. People will see your face, they will start to like you and trust you, and it's super easy in the like DMs and cold email to ask, hey, do you want to see 2 minute video about how we generate these results or how this works? And this is my favorite way to use lead magnets at the moment. Anyways, I hope you liked this lead magnet video, and if you want to learn more about outreach, check out the other videos on my channel and phoenixstyle.com if you want personal help from me to set up this system for you. So take care and bye.